step by step, an easy way to learn English. Future continuous interrogative, to run, affirmative. Shall I be running? Will you be running? Will he be running? Will she be running? Will it be running? Shall we be running? Will you be running? Will they be running? Future continuous interrogative, to come, negative. Shan't I be coming? Won't you be coming? Won't he be coming? Won't she be coming? Won't it be coming? Shan't we be coming? Won't you be coming? Won't they be coming? Examples. He will be playing tennis tomorrow afternoon. You will not be cleaning next week on Sunday. She'll be having dinner at 7 this evening. They'll not be leaving this morning. It won't be running in the rain. Shall I be receiving letters this week? Shan't we be going to the party at this time?